In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bestseller badge on Shopify. We'll start inside your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the apps section, or click apps in the sidebar if you see it right away. On the apps page, open all recommended apps, then choose Shopify App Store. This takes you to the marketplace where we'll install the tool that powers the badge. In the App Store, type Semi Product Labels and Badges into the search bar. Open the app from the results and click Install. Shopify will prompt you to confirm permissions. Go ahead and approve and continue. When the app asks about plans, choose Continue as free. And if you see an upsell, select No thanks, continue with free plan. If a welcome screen offers onboarding or feedback, you can skip it with maybe later. The free plan is enough for adding a simple bestseller badge. Next, we need to make sure the badge can actually appear on your theme. Click Enable App Embed. Shopify will open the theme editor with the app's embed block highlighted. If it isn't already enabled, toggle it on, then click Save in the top right. Saving here is important. Without it, the badge won't render on your storefront. After saving, return to the app's dashboard. Now let's create the badge. Click Create Labels, Badges, then select Create Badge Label. Choose badge as the type so we're working with a graphic badge rather than a text label. In the badge editor, click Change to open the image options, then select Image to browse available designs. In the image picker, use the search bar and type Bestseller. This filters a set of ready-made bestseller badge designs. Pick the one that matches your brand style, bold for high contrast, or subtle for a cleaner look. Then confirm by clicking Select Image. With your design chosen, click Save. That's it. The bestseller badge is now set up. If you want to refine the look and behavior, the app lets you explore additional controls. You can adjust placement on product cards or product pages, tweak size and offset so it doesn't overlap key content, and set conditions to show the badge only on specific products or collections. These options are great for spotlighting your true top performers without cluttering the whole catalog. Once saved, give your storefront a quick look to confirm the badge appears where you expect. And remember, you can come back to the app anytime to experiment with positioning or style.